If you've just experienced a triggering conversation, an argument, passive-aggressive energy, or someone pressed an old emotional wound, this meditation will help you regulate your nervous system, release reactive energy, and reclaim your personal power. This guided meditation supports emotional regulation, grounding, nervous system reset, confidence restoration, and energetic boundary healing so you can return to your center calm, clear, and sovereign. Take a breath. Your power was never gone. It was just waiting for you to come back to it. Take a slow, deep breath in. And gently exhale. Again, inhale deeply. And exhale fully. Notice where your body still feels activated. Maybe your chest feels tight. Maybe your jaw is clenched. Maybe your stomach feels unsettled. No judgment, just awareness. Triggers are not weakness, they are information. Place one hand over your heart and one over your lower belly. Say quietly in your mind, I am safe in this moment. Let your nervous system hear that. Inhale slowly for 4, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Longer exhales tell the body it can soften. Now imagine the interaction like a cord of energy between you and that person. Notice its texture. Notice its intensity. But don't analyze it. Just observe. Now gently say, I call my energy back to me. See your energy, your light, returning from that cord, returning from their words, returning from their tone, returning from their expectations. Your energy flows back into your chest, back into your solar plexus, back into your spine. You feel yourself becoming fuller, heavier, more rooted. Now say, their emotions are not mine to carry. Visualize their energy dissolving away from you like mist in sunlight. You are not responsible for managing other people's reactions. You are responsible for staying aligned with your truth. Bring your attention to your solar plexus, the space just above your navel. Imagine a golden sun glowing there. This is your power center. Triggers try to pull you outward. Power lives inward. With every breath, that golden sun grows brighter. Say internally, I respond, I do not react. I choose clarity over chaos. I return to myself. Notice how your body feels now. Calmer, more spacious, more in control. The situation may not have changed, but your internal state has, and that is power. Take one final deep breath in, hold for a moment, and release. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. You didn't lose your power, you paused, and now you've reclaimed it.